Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Code with Deepa. So today is day 47 of solving daily problems on GFG. Now let us see what today's problem is. So the problem is a maximum sum of hourglass. Now let us read this problem. The problem says we are given a matrix n cross m and which is a 2D matrix. Okay, so our task is to find the maximum sum possible of an hourglass, and this is the hourglass pattern given to us. And if we do not find any sum, then in that case you have to return -1. Okay, so now let us see the problem and try to understand that. Given this is my hourglass pattern, okay, like this. So in this given matrix of 3 cross 3, how many hourglass pattern you can form? There's only one possible hourglass pattern which you can form, which is like this. And you have to calculate the sum of this particular pattern. Okay, so it will become 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus the middle element, which is 5, and plus the bottom row element, which are 7 plus 8 and plus 9. Okay, so this is my first hourglass pattern which I can form in this particular given 3 cross 3 matrix, and which is the only hourglass pattern possible. So it will become 11, 18, 26. So my answer for this question will become 35. Okay, so this is 35 will be the answer for this 3 cross 3 matrix. So now let us take an example of a 4 cross 4 matrix. Okay, so in this matrix, let's take the example of let's take the element like 1 2 3 4 5 12 13 14 15 and last element will be 16. Okay, so for this 4 cross 4 matrix, okay, let me draw boxes here. So this will become my 4 cross 4 matrix. So in this given matrix, I will first find the hourglass pattern. How many hourglass pattern I can make. So my first pattern will be like this. This will be my first hourglass pattern in this given matrix. And there are so many other hourglass pattern we can make in this 4 cross 4 matrix. So now we have to return the maximum sum possible for this 4 cross 4 matrix. Second, you can see that this will be another hourglass pattern in which we'll take these values, and similarly other hourglass patterns you can form. So now to solve this problem, what we have to do is we have to take the first, like we have to take the elements like this: 3 elements in the upper row, 3 elements in the bottom row. If we are at this row, then we have to take 3 elements from the upper row, 3 elements from the bottom row, and we'll take the middle element present here. Okay, so let's say if I start from let me do the numbering. Let us do the numbering here. Okay, it is 0 1. For this index it is 2 and this will be 3. Similarly, columns will give it a number in my 2D matrix, so it will be like this. So for this given problem, what I will do, I will start from I equals to 1 and j equals to 1, and I will take this first hourglass pattern. Okay, as you can see, I'm highlighting it with red. So I will take this first hourglass pattern. Now in this first pattern, how I will calculate the values in the top row as well as in the bottom row. So to calculate elements in top row, what I will do first, I will decrement my I value. So I is at this index, and if I decrement it, it will become here. Now to calculate the first element, I will also decrement my j value. Okay, so I will get this element. In next case, I will decrement the I value but take the same j value. Then in the next case, I will increment my j value. I will get these three values. For bottom, what I will do, I will increment my I value. First, I will decrement j. Then I will take the same value of j. Then I will increment j, and I will get the bottom row values. And for this middle value 6, it is present at my matrix ij position only. As you can see, if I start from I equals to 1 and j equals to 1, then the middle element is present in my ij position only. Okay, so now let us try to solve this problem. Now to solve this problem, what we will do, we will first here create a matrix. Oh sorry, matrix is given. Now we will just traverse that matrix, and we'll here declare a variable of max sum, which is initially store my -1. Okay, so now let us start. Okay, so now let us check. We will run a for loop from int I equals to 1 and I less than n minus 1. I will increment the I, and second will be my j loop from int j equals to 1 m minus 1 and increment the j. So now to take the elements of my topmost row, what I will do here, I will take the value from I minus 1, comma, second will be my j minus 1, plus second value will be decrement I, but j will remain same.